Cranial nerves. Number 1 is the olfactory. It's a sensory, sense of smell. Number 2, optic. It's sensory, sense of vision. The optic chiasm is the location where the right and left optic nerves connect and some cell axons cross to opposite sides. The optic chiasm. Number 3 is the oculomotor. It's a motor neuron or a motor nerve. What skeletal muscles do they innervate? Oculomotor. It's involved in eye movement and raising the superior eyelid. It innervates the superior rectus, the inferior rectus, the medial rectus, and the inferior oblique, as well as the superior eyelid. So let's see, yes, it innervates superior and inferior rectus, the inferior oblique, the medial rectus, and the levator palpebrae superioris. That's the oculomotor nerve. Okay. CN4 is the trochlear. It innervates only the superior oblique muscle. CN5 is the trigeminal nerve. It's for the motor, it's the muscles of mastication, chewing, opening and closing the jaw, and for sensory, it deals with facial sensation. CN6, abducens, it's a motor. It innervates only the lateral rectus muscle. CN7 is the facial, it's sensory and motor. For motor, it's the muscles of facial expression and a muscle of the middle ear and two hyoid muscles. And the sensory, it's the sense of taste in the anterior 2/3 of tongue. CN8 is the vestibulocochlear. It's a sensory. It contributes to the sense of hearing and the sense of balance. The next is CN9, the glossopharyngeal. It's sensory and motor. It's the muscles of swallowing for motor, and for sensory, it's the sense of taste in the posterior third of the tongue. CN10, it's the vagus. It's a motor, muscles of swallowing, talking, coughing, and many others. And then sensory, sense of taste from the posterior tongue. So, yeah, okay. CN11, accessory or spinal accessory. It's motor muscles responsible for shrugging the shoulders from the trapezius and rotating the head, sternocleidomastoid. Cranial nerve 12, hypoglossal. It's a motor. It's responsible for sticking out the tongue and moving it side to side. The mnemonic for remembering sensory, motor, or both is, some say marry money, but my brother says big brains matter more. The mnemonic for remembering the order of names is O-O-O, to touch and feel very good velvet. Such heaven.